Okay, ako lang ang vlogger na hindi nag-invest sa camera. Pumasok yung anghang na parang tutulo yung sipon level. Swerte natin. Usually walang ganitong festival dito. Today we're choosing our traditional hanbok outfits. And syempre nauna na yung mga kids ko. Ayan. Say hi, love. Are you happy? Annyeonghaseyo. And Gabriella too. There. Is it good? Yeah, ba? Oh, si Narcisa. Yaya Jo. Oh. So nahihilo si Annalyn kaya hindi na siya magvi-video. Isabella, what did you say about your outfit?
I like this one the most because the other two, I think it didn't really match.
This is your best one. Okay. Yaya Narcissus OOTD. Anya sa'yo JJ. Siyempre, yung mga anak ko hindi magpapatalo. Oh, very nice. Ang aking. Oh. Okay, so we're walking in the Hanok village. Yan. This is the Hanok village. Okay, I take a video of you and your sister. All right. So we are entering now. Ang maganda dito sa place na pinuntahan namin ngayon, walang entrance fee ito. And you also see the Namsan Tower. That is the Namsan Tower. Right there. And hindi kasing dami yung mga tao daw na nagpupunta dito. Annyeonghaseyo, say hi to you girls. Very good. Annyeonghaseyo. Okay, see ya. Everyone's looking at you girls. Now we can take nice pictures. Oh, I like the tree a lot. Let's look for a spot where we can take nice pictures and let's look what's going on there. Sound good? Okay, let's go. Si Annalyn nahihilo kaya hindi nag-uniform. Alam mo, natutuwa ako because akala ko na maboboard yung mga kids ko dito na sabihin nila wala namang makita, gusto nila mag-shopping, ganyan, bumili mga anik-anik. Pero sobra nilang saya, gusto rin nila yung katahimikan, okay sa kanila yung nagtitake ng photos, tapos ipinapakita ko sa kanila, tinatanong nila ako, ba't daw gustong gusto ko yung mga puno na mga orange. I said kasi, both my kids, I gave birth to them autumn time, so all the trees were orange. They looked so pretty. So every time I see orange leaves, I remember that time. So yan, we're having so much fun. Yan lang, sobrang simple lang. Ang binayaran lang namin today is yung outfit. Pero yung pagpunta dito, libre na. Last ano na namin to kay Narcisa. Last hura na namin kay Narcisa. Dahil ano na siya sa pamilya niya. This is how it looks. Siyempre crazy. Yaan niya pag magkapera ako, bibili ako ng bagong camera. Okay, ako lang ang vlogger na hindi nag-invest sa camera. Request ni Isabella yan na magsuot ng outfit na ganito. At saka para kay JJ na first time sa Korea. Kaya pinigpicture namin ng pinicturean para... Yeah. Ano, Annalyn? Ayaw mo pa rin? Nahilo ka pa rin?
Babalik na yung pagkatapos.
Bakit? Ano nangyari?
Hindi ko alam.
We are now in the river. This is the Han River. We're gonna watch the fountain. It's there at the back. And mamaya magpapalit yan ng color pero hindi ko alam kung maabutan namin. Pero it's special now because may festival na nagaganap na last day today. Every Sunday yata, simula, ewan ko kung October or September, meron ito. Tapos ngayon yung last day niya, so kami, nagpipiknik-piknik yung mga families dito, nagpa-fly sila ng mga kite, ganyan. So, nakiki-experience kami. stars. Kita na may fountain sa likod. Nakakatuwa because yung stall nila, kariton, literal na kariton. Yeah, I'm coming with you. Come. Hello, annyeonghaseyo. What are these? Isabella, what are they? Yeah. You like that one? Alam mo na, nagsabi na. Pero ang ano dyan is maalala mo na, I remember na time na nagpunta tayo sa may Han River tapos may festival tapos bumili tayo. Yan. So we ended up stopping here and we're going to decorate this lamp. So it's 10,000 won for this one. And then they can choose what they're gonna put. Isabella's already there. She's doing it. Yan, pile. Lots of activities for them. They really like it. They had so much fun. They requested to do another one and they're so busy. Such a nice experience to do it here by the river. So this is special. This is not always here. Like you can't come here on like a regular Tuesday and this is here. No, this is only every Sunday when it's like this season. So since I'm gonna get into the food truck business very soon, tignan natin kung ano yung mga food truck na meron dito. Okay, this one is a milkshake. Kanya-kanya. Ito naman, UFO hot dogs. Okay, wow, ito. Wow, mukhang masarap. May steak. Aba, ito na talaga yung cooking in a food market na talaga yan. Yan. Ito naman, parang pancake. I've been wanting pizza. And by the way, pinakamahaba ang pila ni pizza. Sobrang pinipilahan si pizza to the max. Ito, churros. Ito, hindi tayo interesado dahil pork. Ang galing, grabe ito. Nako, mukhang porky pops din. Ang dami, ito din pinipilahan. Ito, nakita ko masarap daw tong tteokbokki and chicken na to. Yan. There's more on the other side. So, ang dami. It seems really fun. More. Oh, ito, syempre, sikat na sikat yan. Yung parang potato spiral. And then here, okay, energy drink daw. Ang ganda ng booth nito, ha? May pa-tiles. Best, ito rin po ay pinipilahan. May mahabang pila. So this one is shrimp. Alright, shrimp. And then of course there's coffee with like Nutella and stuff. Cream puff. So ang daming choices. Ang galing. Ito ang kanina ko pa gusto. Ano kaya itong Amazon grill? Wow, grabe. Ang bango. Grilled chicken skewer. Wow, ang bango niya. Hi! Siyempre may Pilipino. Hi! Paano mo na-discover yung lugar na to?
I checked online.
Ito, diba? Kasi nakita ko siya, nakita ko ng mga video, sabi na, ngayon na to, vacation lang din po ba kayo?
Yes.
Diba? Ang swerte natin. Usually walang ganitong festival dito. Last day today.
Oh, yes,
Diba? Enjoy po.
Enjoy.
O, diba? Yung mga anak ko nandun gumagawa ng activities.
How
Thank you
about
po.
si Happy?
Umuwi kasi di ba may bagyo.
Ay, oo.
So, kinat-short niya, tas umuwi na siya ng mas maaga sa amin. Can I try this one?
Grilled chicken?
So spicy. Super. Okay, I try it. Let's try it. Super spicy daw. Tingnan natin. Alam nito, tikman natin.
Masarap. Super. In fairness, masarap.
Are you liking this place? I'm super liking it. And you know what? They don't have this kind of activities in the Philippines yet, so it's very nice. Thank you for helping them out. Kamsahamnida. And every time i-video ko yung water fountain na may ilaw. Ayan na. Yan siya. May water, may kulay yan. Wow. So today, dinala ko sila sa dampa ng Korea. Yan na tayo. Careful ah, it's very slippery. So what we're gonna do is we're going to look for seafood, fresh seafood. Okay, let's go to ones that are open. Yeah, you can see their eyes. They're looking at you. You can see the crabs. Fish, we'll get crab. Oh. First time nila makakita ng grabe, sobrang dami nila. Parang hinihintay na lang nila na kainin natin sila. Nahirapan siya, masama. Picture! Buhay ba ito, ma? Oo, buhay.
Nagkakaintindihan sila. Ang noodles.
Bumili tayo, tapos punta tayo sa restaurant niya. Sa kanila tayo. Okay, let's go, baby.
Let's go.
So far, super fresh lahat ng seafood. Yung scallops, kinil nila. Yung oysters, kinil nila. And then, meron pa kaming pa ganito. Yan. The soup. Lord, it's the most legit Korean stew ever. Pumasok yung anghang na parang tutulo yung sipon level. Yan na ang main star. Eto na siya. So, syempre, I put some on my rice. And then I devour it. Okay. Wow.
No ball. Okay, no ball.
Super fresh. Perfectly steamed. Para sa akin, yung experience na to, very Korean, super sarap. Nars, ikaw, na-enjoy mo ba? Ano masasabi mo sa experience mo? Okay, Yaya, Miss Sar, Yaya Jo. Yaya Jo?
Ay, naku, ma'am. Sobrang sarap. First time kong kumain, ma'am, na sobrang laki ng crab.
Yes. JJ.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Okay.
Sobrang sarap, nakakalula.
Oh, yan po ang aftermath. Yan ang aftermath. Ngayon, nagde-decide na kami saan na kami pwede mag-dessert. Low bat na po yung camera ko, pero definitely sobrang cool nitong experience na to. Feeling ko parang locals kami ngayon. A yummy seafood trip today.